Thoth jotije piny owacho mabende osetieko chulo hola magi mag udi mane gikao mano midendo ni mortgage sani ok nyal yudo oboke gi mag lope go kaluwore ni pok oket chenro mar yudo oboke go e mbui ka bende okang' mabor miluwo mondo oyud oboke go kelo ng'ikruok. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar udi kod dongruok Charles Singa nolero ni chenro mar keto oboke mag lope e mbui manyasani osebedo gi ng'ikruok mano mar teknoloji. Biro chuno mondo jotije piny owacho mosetieko chulo hola gi mar gero udi kata mortgages mondo omed rito kuom kinde eka giyudo oboke gi mag lowo.
Support staff, can you help the members from the book?
Kowuoyo e mbele kamiti mar od bura marango weche omenda odiochieng' manyoro, Charles Singa, jagoro mongirore migawo mar udi kod dongruok, owacho ni ng'ikruok e teknoloji okelo deko e chwalo oboke go.
Almost 3/4 do not have title deeds of the properties that they've been paying. So we find that quite unfortunate. Again, we realize that under the PS docket, there are monies that are deducted from the civil servants and they don't reach his department. And it's a lot of money that ends up being an audit query where they were not supposed to be. So we are in agreement that we are going to work together with the PS to help him follow to get the payments that the civil servants have been deducted from their slips, yet it has not reached him.
Our challenges really are not the law, as I mentioned. Our challenges sometimes are so many processes that sometimes don't add a lot of value. If we have to go to the CS Treasury for an approval, we wish we can be able to reduce that to one process. But if in the process you need to go and visit the CS Treasury, who's probably the busiest of the ministers 5 times, so you don't expect things are going to move very fast.
Hinga okwayo lokruok e migawo mar omenda mondo oneni okas loso oboke mag lowo.
So you don't expect things are going to move very fast. If you expect the CS Treasury to sign 10,000 titles in triplicates, then your bet is as good as mine as to whether the CS Treasury will have time to sit and sign 30,000 titles over one night. So there are some things that we need to ask ourselves, and there are better ways of achieving the same thing. Remember, the CS National Treasury in our dispensation is actually recognized as a body corporate. He's not a person. He's a body corporate. He has got his own law. It's called the statute law for the CS National Treasury. So if then that is the case, we need to look at other ways in which we can be able to fast track some of these processes so that things like the titling can move faster.
Gi e kindeni, bad migawo mar udi kod dongruok ng'iyo mar tieko udi madirom 40,000 pachoka mapod igero e sama sirkand William Ruto tiyo kod chenro mar gero udi manengo gi oyueyo kaka siro margi mar chwalo dongruok pachoka. Josiasa mawuok e